Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to open files that were created during execution. As we might know, in certain situations, Tricentis Tosca enables us to create files during execution, then attach these files to the execution list. Those situations are when we add files or image references during manual execution, when we compare PDF files with the TC PDF compare module, or when we perform a classic baseline comparison. Here, as an example, we have an execution entry from a manual test case. In this entry, there is an image file created during testing. The file is displayed in the details column of the test step value. In other cases, it can be displayed on the test step level as well. To view the file fully, right-click on it and select Show Detail Viewer. Now, the image is opened by the default program for the file type, specified in Windows. The same is applied for other file types. If you want to specify which program Tosca Commander should use to open files with a particular file extension, you need to create an extension entry in the Tosca viewer. To do so, first open the file toscaviewer.exe in Tricentis/toscatestsuite/classic/dll. Click the plus button. Then we specify the file extension we want, the path, and if in case of PDFs, the commands. We can edit this entry or delete it anytime.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.